Hello, today we are going to learn fraction. What is fraction? Fractions are from when we have a word that is divided into so many equal parts. For example, we divided a pizza into 4 pieces and we take 3 out of 4 pieces. So we get 3 over 4. 3 is a numerator. How many parts do you have? And 4 is a denominator. How many parts is the word divided into? There are 3 types of fraction. First, proper fraction. Proper fractions is one where the numerator is less than the denominator. Proper fractions is always less than 1. Second, improper fraction. Improper fraction is one where numerator is greater than denominator. Improper fraction is always greater than 1. Third, mixed fraction. Mixed fraction had both a whole number parts and fractional parts. Next, we go to the equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction is a fraction that have the same value even though they may look different. For example, 1 over 2 is equivalent to 2 over 4 and equivalent to 4 over 8. The fractions are equivalent because when we multiply or divide both the top and bottom by the same number, the fraction keeps its value. Then, simplifying fraction. Simplifying fraction or reducing fraction means to make the fraction as simple as possible. Try to evenly divide both the top and bottom of the fraction by 2, 3, 5, 7, and etc. until we can't go any further. Comparing fraction. Comparing fraction have two methods. Firstly is comparing fraction with the same denominator method. For example, 4 over 9 and 5 over 9. 4 over 9 is less than 5 over 9. This is because 4 is less than 5. Secondly is comparing fraction with denominators are not the same. For example, comparing fraction 3 over 8 and 5 over 12. Firstly, we have to make the denominator same. In order to make the denominator same, we have to multiply 3 over 8 with 3 and 5 over 12 with 2. So we get 9 over 24 and 10 over 24. Because 9 over 24 is less than 10 over 24, thus 3 over 8 less than 5 over 12. In fraction, we have addition fraction, subtraction fraction, multiplication fraction, and division fraction. Firstly, we go to the addition fraction. There are 3 steps of addition fraction. Step 1. Make sure the bottom number, the denominator, are the same. Step 2. Add the top numbers, the numerator, and put it over the denominator. Step 3. Simplifying the fraction is needed. Here, the example of the fraction addition. 1 over 3 plus 2 over 5. First, we have to make the denominator a same. So 1 over 3 must multiply by 5. So we get 5 over 15. 2 over 5 multiplied by 3, we get 6 over 15. Therefore, 1 over 3 plus 2 over 5 equal to 5 over 15 plus 6 over 15. So here we get 11 over 15. Second is fraction subtraction. There are also 3 steps of fraction subtraction. First step, make sure the bottom number, the denominator, are the same. Step 2, subtract the top numbers, the numerators, and put the answer over the denominator. And step 3 is applying the fraction if needed. Here, this is an example of the fraction subtraction with different denominator. 11 over 15 minus 3 over 5. Step 1, we have to make the denominator a same. So 3 over 5 must multiply by 3. we get 11 over 15 minus 9 over 15 equal to 2 over 15. That is fraction multiplication. There are also three steps of multiplication fraction. First, multiply the numerators. Second, multiply the denominators. And lastly, reduce the fraction if necessary. For example, 2 over 5 multiplied by 3 over 4. So, firstly, multiply the numerators. 2 multiplied by 3, we get 6. Second, multiply the denominators. 5 multiply 4, we get 20. And lastly, reduce the fraction. 6 over 20 reduced into 3 over 10. The last operation in fraction is fraction division. First step, copy the first fraction a over b, a over b. Second step, change the operation division into multiplication. Step 3, turn over the fraction c over d, turn to d over c. So a multiplied by d, we get ad, and b multiplied by c, we get bc. So now, look to this example. 2 over 3 divide 4 over 5. First, copy the first fraction 2 over 3. Second, change the operation division into multiplication. And third, turn over 4 over 5 into 5 over 4. So 2 multiplied by 5, we get 10. And 3 multiplied by 4, we get 12. Simplify it into 5 over 6. In fraction, we have converting fraction. First, we go to the converting improper fraction to mixed fraction. Example, 5 over 2 convert into 1 over 2. First step, divided the numerator by the denominator. 5 divided by 2. And then, write down the whole number answer. There is 2. And finally, write down any remainder above the denominator, 1 over 2. After that, we go to the converting mixed fractions to improper fractions. 2, 1 over 2 convert into 5 over 2. Step 1. Multiply the whole number part by the fraction denominator, 2 multiplied by 2. Add that to the numerator, plus 1, and write the result on the top of the denominator, 5 over 2. There is some application of the fraction in our daily life. And finally, there are practices provided to you. Thanks for watching. Thank you.